Model, 2020 Fiat Ducato 35-2-3140 Multijet SH1 low loader starts drives needs head gasket. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 88,691. MOT, the 31st of July 2024. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 4113 E6 DTEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Coolant is pressurizing, so the head gasket will need replacing. Engine starts, runs and sounds perfectly, and it drives extremely well. Grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is below average. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con. EU status,